Evening sun on an old dirt lane, radio whispers in a soft refrain. Miles of memories on a stretch of land. I'm coming home, love, just like we planned. Saw the skyline fade in a rearview mirror. Every mile I'm feeling you nearer. Dusty towns and endless nights alone, counting the minutes till I'm back home. It's a long road home, but your face keeps me strong. Every bend, every turn feels like a love song. Heart's been wandering, but it's found its way to the arms that I'm running to. I'm here to stay. Truck stops and fading maps, miles have flown, restless heart, but your love is my throne. Every letter kept me pushing through. Now I'm close enough to whisper to you. Fields of green and that rickety fence, memories of love making perfect sense. The porch light glows like a beacon bright, got me to you through the still of night. It's a long road home, but your face keeps me strong. Every bend, every turn feels like a love song. Heart's been wandering, but it's found its way to the arms that I'm running to. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. Fields of green and that rickety fence, memories of love making perfect sense. The porch light glows like a beacon bright, got me to you through the still of night. It's a long road home, but your face keeps me strong. Every bend, every turn feels like a love song. Heart's been wandering, but it's found it.
If you've been watching this channel for a while, you may remember this car. If you haven't been watching for a while, let me get you up to speed. 1962 Ford Galaxie owned by my friend Pete. He had a problem with the original engine that was in the car. This engine was originally based off of the service block, a 427 service block, with these aluminum heads, intake, pretty much as you see it. Pete brought it to me. He had bought it from another engine builder who shall be nameless. I'm not going to out anybody publicly. I don't do that. Anyway, he brought it to me after buying it from him to put it on my run stand and to break it in, check everything, make sure nothing was leaking or anything like that. Didn't really need to be broken in. It had a solid roller camshaft in it. But anyway, he just wanted to make sure I had a good bill of health before he dropped it in his car. Put it on my run stand, ran it in. Everything seemed fine. Good oil pressure, up to temperature, heat cycled it a few times, didn't see any leaks, everything looked really good. Gave it back to him, took it home, put it in his car. Took him a while, he got it all together, got it running, took it around the block, and he noticed his oil pressure fluctuating. And he's like, that's not good, which it isn't. So he lets me know he's got an oil pressure problem, and he doesn't want to drive it anymore. I tell him, bring it down, I'll look at it for him. I'll help him out, see what I can find. I get it down here, start looking over it, and I didn't even want to start it because I didn't know what's going on inside the engine. Started just looking at things. I could see external leaks of water coming from the cylinder heads. A lot of things just didn't look right. So I well, let's drain the oil. Drain the oil, and about a gallon of antifreeze came out of the pan. Okay. And I knew what I had to do at that point. Pulled the engine, tore it down, and found some pretty bad stuff. Pulled it, we rebuilt another one. It's a 445 FE. It's basically a 390 stroker. Out of rock aluminum heads, hydraulic roller cam, tunnel wedge 2.4 intake. Some good stuff, good running engine. We put this in the car, and off it went. He was taking it to another shop. They were going to do some other work to it, rewire the car, go over things so he could start driving it. Since that time, plans have changed. He contacted me. He bought another car, a 63 Galaxie convertible, which he is totally restoring. So what the plan was from there is get the old 62 back here, pull the engine. I'm going to go over things with the engine. There's a couple things I want to change on it. Just kind of dial it in a little bit better. I wasn't totally satisfied with, and I was going to address when he brought the car back to me after he had the wiring issues sorted out, which was a whole nother problem that was giving me fits with it when it was here the last time. But we're going to get this thing prepped. Eventually you're going to see the frame show up. We're going to drop this engine in with a C6 automatic transmission into that frame, and then that rolling frame with the engine transmission, it's going to go to the shop that has the car now. What's going to become of this car? Not exactly sure. There was an engine that was in the 63 convertible that he bought that we are planning on putting back in this car so he can get it running and driving to sell. But sometimes plans change. I don't know. We'll see. But that's the plan at this point. Good old car, 4-speed in it. This is a kind of cool old classic that needs an engine at this point. Thanks for watching and stay tuned, and we'll see what happens with this 62, and we'll watch the progress of putting the 445 FE engine in to the 63 Galaxie chassis.